This exercise is the hand walk, and this is a tough one, but excellent for core strength as well as hamstring range of motion and upper body strength with that core strength. So you're walking your hands out as far as you can from your feet, holding the core tight. Don't let your back collapse, and walk your feet in small ankling steps towards your hands until you can no longer take any further steps forward. Either you're reaching your hands or your hamstrings are fully extended. So try the hand walk to activate your core and open up your hamstrings. That's the exercise of the week.